Question number 12. A power p plus q divided by a power 2r into a power q plus r divided by a power 2p into a power r plus p divided by a power 2q equal 1. Left hand side, a power p plus q by a power 2r into a power q plus r divided by a power 2p into a power r plus p divided by a power 2q. Here we will be apply the index law of division. That means a power m divided a power n equal a power m minus n. According to the formula, we can write a power p plus q minus 2r into a power q plus r minus 2p into a power r plus p minus 2q. Now we will be apply the index law of multiplication. That means a power m into a power n equal a power m plus n. Here similar base a, so their power will be added. P plus q minus 2r plus q plus r minus 2p plus r plus p minus 2q equal a power p plus p equal 2p, then plus q equal 2q minus 2r plus r equal plus 2r, then minus 2p, then minus 2q equal a power plus 2p minus 2p equals 0 plus 2q minus 2q equals 0 minus 2r plus 2r equals 0. That means a power 0 equal a power 0 equal 1. Well, right hand side, so left hand side equal right hand side. Proved. Question number 13. X to the power a divided by x to the power b, then whole power 1 by ab into x to the power b divided by x to the power c whole power 1 by bc into x to the power c divided by x to the power a whole power 1 by ca. Here we will be apply the index law of division. That means a power m divided a power n equal a power m minus n. Here similar base x, so we can write x to the power a minus b, then whole power 1 by ab into here similar base x, and their power will be subtracted, b minus c into 1 by bc into here similar base x, their power will be subtracted, c minus a, then whole power 1 by ca. So x to the power, here power multiply with whole power. That means a minus b by ab into base x, their multiplied power, b minus c by bc into base x, their multiplied power, c minus a by ca. Here we will be apply the index law of multiplication. That means a power m into a power n equal a power m plus n. Here similar base x, so their power will be added. So x to the power a minus b by ab plus b minus c by bc plus c minus a by ca. Here base x. Now we will be find out added value there. Here LCM is ABC divided by AB equal C multiply with A minus B plus ABC divided by BC equal A multiply with B minus C plus ABC divided by CA equal B multiply with C minus A equal x to the power ABC C multiply with AC minus C multiply with BC plus A multiply with B, that means AB, A multiply with C, that means AC, plus B multiply with C, BC, plus minus multiply minus B multiply with A, that means AB, equal x to the power ABC plus AC minus AC equals 0 minus BC plus BC equals 0 plus AB minus AB equals 0. So their simplified value is 0 equal x to the power 0 equal 1 equal right hand side. So left hand side equal right hand side. Proved. Question number 14. X to the power A divided by x to the power B, then their whole power A plus B into x to the power B by x to the power C, then whole power B plus C into x to the power C divided by x to the power A, then their whole power C plus A. At first we will be apply the index law of division, that means A power m divided A power n equal A power m minus n. Here similar base x, their power will be subtracted A minus B, then whole power A plus B into similar base x, then their power will be subtracted B minus C, then whole power B plus C into similar base x, their power will be subtracted C minus A into whole power C plus A. X to the power, here power will be multiplied with power, that means A minus B into A plus B, x to the power B minus C into B plus C into x to the power C minus A into C plus A equal x to the power. Here we will be apply the formula of A square minus B square, that means A plus B into A minus B. So A square minus B square into x to the power B minus C into B plus C equal B square minus C square into x to the power C minus A into C plus A equal C square minus A square. Here we will be apply index law of multiplication, that means A power m into A power n equal A power m plus n. Here similar base x, so their power will be added A square minus B square plus B square minus C square plus C square minus A square. Here A square minus A square equal 0 minus B square plus B square equal 0 minus C square plus C square equal 0, that means x to the power 0 equal x to the power 0 equal 1 equal right hand side. So left hand side equal right hand side. Prove.